I'm back with my favorite Love Me Hair wig install. This is a throw on and go wig. Stay cute. We're filming in 4K, y'all. It does come pre-cut, and as you guys can see, it looks really good. If you want a more customized look, you can definitely bleach the knots, but this is what it looks like, just kind of like straight out the pack. Let me show you guys all the specs on the wig. This wig is from Luvmehair. It already comes cut. Curls are already here. Let's like put her on real quick because like y'all want to see what it looks like, and everything is ready to go. She's nice. She's secure. Ooh, she's snug. With like ear tabs, comb, edges brush, clip. Wait, that was like 2 seconds. Okay, I'm loving the color. This is just what it looks like straight out of the pack. We are going to take our fingers and brush out the comb. Ooh, even this hair straight would be a vibe. I just like how Luvmehair's wigs are so soft. The lace already comes cut, pre-bleached. It's like a beginner-friendly wig's dream. Oh yeah, y'all, I'm literally headed to dinner. I like the way she looks. She's cute. She's not doing too much. The color is like fabulous. Don't mind me just living out my little Beyonce dreams. Every lighting. So if you guys are looking for a super cute like throw on and go wig, I absolutely love Luvmehair's new hairlines. They're ready to go. Literally already customized, already ready. This is a 4K camera. So we're filming in 4K. I had to show it to you guys. I like to show you it in real action, like real time, so you guys don't feel intimidated in case you guys are like wig beginners. Baby, I look cute. I feel cute. And of course, you can redo the curls. You can straighten it. The next time you guys see me, I probably will have it straightened because like, baby, this is cute. Okay, I just want to cut a few layers. Just to like frame my face.